This train.
By Paul Collicutt.
This train.
By Paul Collicutt.
This train is yellow.
This train is red.
This train is long.
This train is short.
This train is old.
This train is new.
This train is going uphill.
This train is going downhill.
This train is in the country.
This train is in the city.
This train uses two rails.
This train uses one rail.
This train is on a bridge.
This train is in a tunnel.
This train runs on steam.
This train runs on electricity.
This train is in the rain.
This train is in the snow.
This train carries passengers.
This train carries freight.
This train travels by day.
This train travels by night. This train is at the station.
All aboard!